Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to write the question answer of the chapter The World of Animals. So, the very first thing you are going to write today's date, that is 25/09/21. And on the red line, you will write the chapter's name, The World of Animals. You will find the questions at page number 219. Okay, leave the first line, start the first question. From second line, question number 1 is, what are domestic animals? What are domestic animals? As I told you, you can refer the question from the book, children. It is at page number 219. And the answer to this question will be animals which live in our homes or in the farm are KNOWN, known as domestic, DOMESTIC, domestic animals. Full stop. Let's read the question once, children. What are domestic animals? Animals which live in our homes or in the farms are known as domestic animals. For example, dog, cat, duck, cow, buffalo, etc. Okay, let's come to number 2. Question number 2 is, how do we take care of domestic, check out the spelling, children, DOMESTIC, domestic animals. So in the first answer we have written what are domestic animals. Now we are going to see how to take care of them. So let's write the answer. The answer to this question will be, we must treat, treat, we must treat domestic well. We should not ill-treat them, we should treat them well. And what else we should do? We must not tease them or hurt them. Okay, so we must not tease them or hurt them. See children, if somebody will tease you or hurt you, how you will feel? Definitely you will feel bad. Similarly, if you tease them or hurt them, how they will feel? They will also feel bad. So we should never tease them or hurt them. Okay? So let's repeat the question and answer with me children. How do we take care of domestic animals? We must treat domestic animals well. We must not tease them or hurt them. Instead, we should take all kinds of care because we are keeping them at home, right? Okay, let's turn the page and write the third question. Question number 3 is, how can, write with me children, how can we take care of our pets? Pets are the animals which we keep at home. Okay, so what should we do to take care of them? Let's see. We should keep the pets at home in a clean space and give them good food to eat. Full stop. Take them to a vet if they fall sick. We go to the doctor when we fall sick, right? Similarly, we have doctor for animals, that is called a veterinarian doctor. Okay, so we should take them to a vet if they fall sick. Who falls sick? Your pet. So let's repeat it once children. How can we take care of our pets? We should keep the pets at home in a clean space. Okay, it should not be kept at a dirty place. And give them good food. Like we eat good food, similarly you should give them also good food to eat. Take them to a vet if they fall sick. Okay, So all the three answers we have done, children. So this was all for today. Thank you.